been a little contest. We're looking for a kind, deserving, caring, giving, loving person that we want to do something good for. You want to look at your list there?
So we're doing a car giveaway. And so we were asking for people to nominate, and so we talked with Kim and then with Hillary and Al, and some of the things that people have submitted. I'd just like to read them off right here. Very dear and special person, priceless to many people for his kindness and charity. One of the greatest, most selfless, caring, hardworking people I know. Paul spends all hours a day making lives of others better. A ray of sunshine and always giving everything he has to others. Puts in tireless hours, never complains. Can be down on his luck and he would always give his last dollar to anyone in need. Goes to the hospital on a moment's notice to comfort people that are sick. One of the things that really grabbed us too was the statement giving Paul this card. It's the best investment you could ask for. Because we know it's not just you or your car too. We know that we're not just helping you, we're helping the community. So we just
Everything you do speaks volumes, and it's awesome. Really is. We appreciate what you do for everybody. Yes, yes. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go out and take a look.
Hey, my wife's car is all laid up.
Okay, that's what we heard.
Needing a new motor. And wow.
Okay.
What a beautiful car.
Yeah, it's should be a good car for you.
Yeah.